DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our repeat customer is back for our platinum detailing service. These white seats look amazing, but you guys know how quickly they get dirty. But now look at them looking brand new again. This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. Our platinum detailing service is full interior cleaning. Check that out, as well as the exterior. Let's check it out. For the exterior, 100% hand wash. Then we put a nice ceramic coating on top of this stealth PPF. So our work is done on this beautiful Tesla, you guys. Again, this is our repeat customer. Our great work and customer service keep our customers coming back. When you want to learn more about us here at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont, just give us a call. Our number is 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching, you guys, and have a great day.